Hello, what is up mga moms or sir mom? Ako po si Ralph Cifras, ang visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are done with the null custom repaint project na ginawa natin for a client. So thank you very much client for purchasing this, and again shout out to Sir Wreck-It Ralph. Wait lang, meron akong sticker na yan mga moms sir. Punta kayo sa Wreck-It Ralph kung gusto nyo makakuha ng mga action figures, ZD Toys, Marvel Legends, and marami pang iba. Nakakuha na rin ako sa kanya, kay Sir Ralph, ng Venom na ZD Toys. So kung actually order pa rin ako ng ZD Toys na Venom kasi kailangan ko rin for future projects. So yun, nabili ko si Null sa, actually 2-pack to, sa 2-pack dapat ito with kasama to sa 2-pack with Venom with wings, yung kanyang accessory. Pero si Null lang talaga yung gusto ni client. So buti na lang merong seller, thank you Sir Ralph, nag-provide siya ng Null na action figure. And ito na, kinustom na natin. First, ang ginawa natin dito, nag-spray tayo ng flat clear para magkaroon ng adhesive na layer so that our paints will stick to the surface. And then after that, dry brush with black wash muna using Hero Paints water-based acrylic primer matte black. Thank you very much Hero Paints for sponsoring this video. After the wash, dry brush with gunmetal. After the gunmetal dry brushing, dry brush ulit dito sa weapon naman ng red, fuchsia pink, and fluorescent red. So ang concept ko sa pag-apply ng paint, yung darkest muna, tapos base color, darkest to lightest. Ganun yung proseso ng mga custom repaints na ginagawa ko. And then for the belt, cargo brown, and sa mga gauntlets niya, sa mga straps, ito naman yung ginamit ko for dry brushing, sage. Okay, kasi medyo green, yung dark green yung kanyang strap. Okay, so yun yung ginamit ko. For the hair, black wash to, and then dry brush with ultra white stronger coverage. So yun, that's it. Yun na yung ginawa natin dito para kay Null. Wala namang nabago sa articulation. Tapos nga pala, yung last part, mag-spray tayo ng top coat para maprotektahan yung buong figure. So yun lang mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching. Ito pa pala yung isa niyang head sculpt. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye bye.